So let's crop this image. For this I'm going to click on edit image. And now if we want to crop this image, we need to select the area. So this is how you can select the area for your new image. And if you want to rotate this, you can rotate it. If you want to flip horizontally and flip vertically. Okay, so these three operations are available. This is Mayank Sanghvi, and thanks for tuning in. In this video, hello everyone, this is Mayank Sanghvi from vlemon.com, and I'm back with another Android tutorial video. And in this video, we are going to learn about how to edit an image. In our previous video, we learned about how to capture image from your Android camera, and now we are going to use the same app. We are going to capture image from camera, and then we are going to edit the new image. If you want to watch the first part of this video where we learn how to capture image, you can click on this, or the video URL is also available in the description of this video. For this video, we are going to refer this blog post, and this blog post URL is available in the description of this video, or you can click on here. Okay, for editing image, we are going to use Authors Hub's Android image cropper. This image cropper support 3 editing operations: cropping image, rotating image, and flipping image horizontally or vertically. So this is a typo. I'm going to fix it. Ignore it. If you want to know how to create an e-commerce Android app, how to create an admin panel for your e-commerce Android app, don't forget to click on subscribe. All these tutorial series are available on our YouTube channel. For this video, we are going to use the app which we created in this blog post, and the source code URL is available just here. You need to click on this URL to download, and you need to open this, and this is the current functionality for our app. So let me launch this app. Our app is launched successfully. So in this we have an image view and a button, and if we are going to click on button, our camera intent is going to launch. We are going to click on this, and this is our image. Similarly, if we are going to click on capture image, our camera is going to be open. We are going to click on this, and this is our image. Okay, and in our locate, you are able to see where is our image file. So this is for 4.1.1, and this is for Android version 7. So this is our file storage path. Now we need to edit this image. So for editing image, we are going to add a new button, edit image button, and then on click of this, we are going to launch our Android image cropper activity. For using this Authors Hub Android image cropper, we are going to first add its dependency. So I'm going to copy this dependency line, and then I'm going to open my Android Studio project. I'm going to click on Gradle, build.gradle for app. Inside this, I'm going to add a new line, and we are going to paste it here for inside dependencies. Now we need to sync this project, so I'm going to click on sync now, and we are going to click on android.manifest.xml file for the next step. Inside this, we need to add these 2 permissions: read external storage and write external storage. Okay, so we already have permission for write external storage, so we are going to add this first line. I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to add it just here. Okay, so when we are going to click on edit image button, then we need to launch crop image activity. So I'm going to add this activity inside our Android manifest.xml file. So I'm going to add our activity just here. Okay, the next thing, we need to create our edit image button. For this, I'm going to copy code from my blog post, and it is not there. Not an issue. So code is not available here. So I'm going to update this blog post before uploading this video. So let me go and quickly open activity_main.xml file. Inside this, we need to add another button. I'm going to add this just here, and I'm going to say ID button edit image, and is going to be just below button capture. Okay, I'm going to say edit image. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to check if everything is fine in design view. Yes, everything is fine in design view. I'm going to open main activity.java class, and now we are going to create a button here. So this is for edit image. I'm going to add a variable here, and then we need to initialize it. So I'm going to add an initialization for our new image. I'm going to add an initialization for our new button, and then we need to add a set on click listener for our new button. So I'm going to say set on click listener. I'm going to say new on click listener. Okay, that's it. Now inside this, we are going to call this function open image editor. Okay, so I'm going to call this function, and inside this I'm going to say function. I'm going to say, no, it's not a JavaScript, man, it is a Java code. So I'm going to say void open image editor, and that's it. Okay, inside this, now we need to launch our crop image activity. Now for calling this crop image activity, we have two options. First, we can provide which image we want to edit, or we can simply launch this activity. So let me copy this second option. In this, we are just calling this activity. We are not providing any image. So that's it. I'm fine with this. Import all the class and launch your app. So I'm going to stop my app, and then I'm going to launch my app in both of these devices. Our app is launched successfully. I'm going to click on edit image, and nothing happens. So what is wrong? So let's display a message here. So I'm going to say display message. I'm going to say get best context, and I'm going to say hello. Okay, so we are going to just check whether this is working fine or not. So I'm going to stop this, and then I'm going to launch it one more time. So let's try it one more time. I'm going to click on edit image. So our this function is not why it is not calling? I'm not sure why it is not calling. This is my mistake, man. What are you doing, man? I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to launch it one more time. Sorry for this silly mistake. That's why I had copy paste. Okay, I'm going to click on edit image, our hello message, and our crop image activity. So I'm going to click on camera for capturing image, or you can grab an image from gallery. Okay, we cancel it, so that's why it is not said a message. So now we launched our activity. The next thing, we need to handle its result. For this, I'm going to modify activity result class. We are going to modify our onActivity result, and inside this we are going to add a if statement, and this is the if statement for our crop image. So I'm going to say if, I'm going to say else if. Okay, that's it. So this is for this. So let me add it here. Okay, so this is first if block for our camera code. This second if block is for our crop image activity, and this else is for displaying a message, request, cancel, or something went wrong. So let's launch and let's see what is inside this. Inside this, we are checking if everything is okay or not. If everything is okay, we are setting the return or result URI provided by crop image. Okay, so this is inside activity result. So let's launch the code and let's test it whether it is working fine or not. Okay, I'm going to click on edit image. Hello, I'm going to select gallery, camera image, yes, select this, and inside this I'm going to use camera. I think it is hang, so I'm going to click on capture. Okay, and here we are able to edit it. Okay, you can edit the image. Once done, click on crop, and this is your cropped image. I'm not sure why it is not working here. My device is hanged. Okay, so I'm going to close this, close the program. Okay, so one more thing I want to test inside this. For this, I'm going to modify our code. Where is our code for? Okay, so this is open image editor, and I'm going to first remove this hello message, and I'm going to test our this option where we are going to provide our photo URI. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to remove this, and photo URI is just here, and I'm going to simply add a text. I'm going to add a check here if photo photo URI is does not equals to null, then launch this activity, else display a toast message, display message, get contains base context, select an image. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to launch this. So we tested. Okay, so I'm going to first click on capture image, and then I'm going to click on edit image. Oh, select an image first. So why it is saying it is null? For this, let me check our activity underscore result on activity result. So we are getting photo file here. So let me go and check his. I'm going to say photo URI equals to URI. I'm saying say from file. Let's try one more time. Yes, we are able to edit it, crop, and this is our cropped image. So let's crop this image. For this, I'm going to click on edit image. And now if we want to crop this image, we need to select the area. So this is how you can select the area for your new image. And if you want to rotate this, you can rotate it. If you want to flip horizontally and flip vertically. Okay, so these three operations are available. First is rotate, flip, and the third one is the crop. So finally I'm going to click on crop, and this is our final edited image. So this is how you can use Author Hub's Android image cropper library. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and in our next video we are going to learn about how to upload this cropped image on our web server. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on subscribe, share it with your friend, provide your feedback, and see you all in next Android tutorial video. Some important URLs.